Good evening. Hello everyone. We'll start our Indian geography sessions. As I said, geography is an most important uh, subject in your preliminary in terms of your number of questions they are asking. So we can say that one Indian geography part is most inevitable because of the questions are purely they are asking conceptual. And the your factual part is embedded. That one factual part is embedded in conceptual part. Okay, so we can say this one that how these questions will help us regarding in your preparation, that we'll discuss with the flow. So let us go and discuss the questions now. First question. There is an announcement that after every 2 successive questions we will discuss the answers. Okay, first question is asked, which among the following statements about the wildlife sanctuary are correct? It is dedicated to one particular species. Human intervention is prohibited. It is dedicated to multiple species. Okay, it is dedicated to one particular species. It is human intervention is prohibited. It is dedicated to multiple species. Choose the correct options from the quotes given below. Which one? Yes, we can say it is your answer is your correct B, 1 and 3. Okay, wildlife sanctuary are correct. That is, it is dedicated to one particular species. Human intervention is prohibited. It is dedicated to multiple species also. Okay. So we'll discuss the answer next. As per the IAS report, the increase of the forest cover is highest in which among the following states of India? Assam, Mizoram, Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka. Okay, which among the we can say which of the coast state are we through? It is Assam, Mizoram, Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka. So answer is we can say it is D for Delhi, that is Karnataka. Okay, it is the Indian State Forest Report 2019. Okay, ISFR means Indian State Forest Report 2019. First देखिए okay, sorry, it is A. B skip it is A. The wildlife sanctuary is dedicated to one particular species. That is correct. Human intervention is prohibited inside the wildlife sanctuary. That is also correct. Okay. Human intervention is also prohibited. Okay. I took this one. This multiple. It is 1 and 3. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is correct. So 1 and 3. Okay. Human intervention is particularly prohibited. Okay. It is dedicated to multiple species. So this is also wrong. What is not dedicated to multiple species, it's particular one species. That is why wildlife dedicated to one particular species, this is correct. For example, you can say the crocodile, you can say the crocodile breeding center at Bhitarkanika, crocodile breeding center in Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary, that is in the I can say Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary, that is in the particularly in the Kendrapada district. Okay, it is in the Kendrapada district, Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. Here human intervention is strictly prohibited inside the wildlife sanctuary. Inside the wildlife sanctuary Bhitarkanika strictly prohibited. Wildlife sanctuary has the government and private occupied areas. Basically they are the government and the private occupied areas under the Protection Act 1972. Under the Protection Act 1972. Under the Protection Act 1972. It is an act which contributed to save wildlife and plant species particularly. It is an act which prohibited, which introduced to save wildlife and plant species particularly. In terms of flora and fauna, no other state can challenge India. In terms of flora and fauna, no other state can challenge the India. Example, Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary, Odisha, for saltwater crocodile mainly, particularly Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. आज के डेट जदि हम कहबा कि the wildlife act was more dangerous if someone is making any committed crime, then it must be a guarantee that you will punish for that one, either in terms of your money or in terms of your getting imprisonment. Okay, so Wildlife Protection Act day by day getting much stringent in terms of you are implementing the rules and regulations. Next, as per the ISFR report, Indian State Forest Report 2019, the increase in the forest cover is highest in the state of Karnataka. Karnataka is the state where the increase in the forest cover is highest. The Indian State Forest Report 2019 released recently shows an increase in 5188 km square of forest tree cover across the country. Across the country, as compared to the ISFR 2017. Jodi mu compare karibi ISFR 2017, so there is an increase in the forest cover. Indian State Forest Report 2019 released recently saw an increase in the, that is 5188 square kilometer, basically 5188 kilometer square of forest and tree cover across the country as compared to the ISFR 2017. So next question देखिए, the Odisha कथा यदि मु कहबी, Odisha कथा रे हमर there is considerable increase also, but not like your Karnataka, है ओडिशा मध्य प्रदेश रे बरंग रादर टिके सेतिकी सैटिस्फैक्टरीली हेनी. मध्य प्रदेश छत्तीसगढ़ रे तो एनक्रोचमेंट बहुत होची, है बट ओडिशा रे टिके नाही. ओके, विल गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. Which of the following metal is found in Hutti, Kolar and Ramgiri in India? Hutti, Kolar and Ramgiri in India. Hutti, Kolar and Ramgiri, it is, you can say, gold. Gold. Then Chiria, located in the West Singhbhum, is famous for which of the following? Chiria, जोटा कि located अच्छी West Singhbhum रे, is famous for which of the following? Chiria. Chiria is famous for which of the things? Iron ore mining, bird sanctuary, dam and national park. Iron ore, bird sanctuary, dam and national park. Chiria is your iron ore mining, basically. A. Hutti, Kolar and Ramgiri are the famous places of gold mines in India. Hutti, Kolar and Ramgiri are the famous places of gold mines in India. Hutti, Kolar and Ramgiri. there are 3 gold fields in India, that is your Kolar gold mines, Kolar region, Hutti gold mine in Raichur region in both Karnataka, and Ramgiri gold field in Anantapur region in Andhra Pradesh particularly. Yeah? Kolar gold mine region, Kolar region, Hutti, Raichur, and Ramgiri gold field in Anantapur regions. Yeah? There are the 3, Hutti, Kolar and Ramgiri. So चिड़िया जदि कहबी कोलार ऊपर, यस कोलार ऊपर जदि मैं कहबी कोलार गोल्ड फील्ड particularly KGF, कोलार गोल्ड फील्ड is now currently Kolar goldfield is abandoned. Abandoned. It is not working now. Kolar goldfield. Kolar goldfield जदि मैं कहबी Kolar goldfield बर्तमान last 150 years of digging होता, but now it is not no execution because it is now hazardous. 3.5 kilometer to 4 kilometer भितर dig करा होचे, and it is really hazardous, and moreover government को भी एते profit होनी जेतु प्रति गोटे टन रे बर्तमान only 35 ग्राम रो सुना मिलुची, गोल्ड मिलुची, so which is not cost effective. माने input cost बर्तमान बढ़ी जाउची output cost को लेके. So that is why government has thought to shut down this 150-year-old KGF mines. Okay. ठीक अच्छे. तो बर्तमान इंडिया रे नुआ जोटा हम डिस्कवर होइची झाबुआ माइंस इन बिहार हैला, झाबुआ गोल्ड माइंस particularly झाबुआ गोल्ड माइंस इन बिहार जोटा की 55% of gold reserves it consist, 55% of gold reserves it consist हैला झाबुआ माइंस particularly. Okay. चिड़िया जदि कहबी चिड़िया is in West Singhbhum is famous for your iron ore mining. Chidiya, which is a census town in Paschim Singhbhum district in the just one second. चिड़िया जदि वेस्ट सिंहभूम देखिए particularly वेस्ट सिंहभूम particularly जदि मु एठी डायग्राम टा बनो इट विल बी मोर क्लैरिटी ऑफ हियर. एटा हला छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू. सिंहभूम जदि मु एरिया कहबी एला झारखंड रो particularly झारखंड एरिया रे जदि छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू सपोज दिस एरिया, सो ए नॉर्दर्न ए जो पर्सन हला दिस इज योर सिंहभूम एरिया हला, सिंहभूम एरिया झारखंड रे हला जोटा कि इंडिया लार्जेस्ट आयरन ओर माइन विथ रिजर्व्स ऑफ 2000 मिलियन टन्स particularly with reserves of 2000 है ना 2002 million tons है ना, million tons of reserves. I don't know. This mines is operated by Steel Authority of India Limited है ना, Steel Authority of India Limited operate करछि. It is surrounded by Kiriburi, Karampada, Tupadia range and Rakshi. It lies to the southwest of Manoharpur, particularly southwest of Manoharpur को एटा लगी रही छै. ठीक अछि. This is one of the it is high grade a particular चिड़िया mines रे हला चिड़िया mines एटम कहबी. Chiria mines possess high grade iron ore quality है ना, high grade iron ore quality चिड़िया माइंस होची। कहवा ये हाई ग्रेड आयरन और क्वालिटी जब देखो पर्टिकुलरली आम दिस आर द सिल्वर गोल्ड इट सिंगभूम है, गोल्ड हुट्टी धारावाड़ हसन है, कोलार एरिया रे रामनाथपुरम रामगिरी अनंतपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश है, पुना पूजा छबियार पूजा रिवर्स पुना पूजा एंड सरिया पूजा इन केरला ये भी गोल्ड किसी ना किसी मिले। और जब सिल्वर देखिए इट इज इन द उदयपुर एंड द धानबाद है, उदयपुर आउ धानबाद रे ठीक है, धानबाद आउ उदयपुर। धानबाद आउ उदयपुर ओके। Next, which among the following state produces maximum raw silk in India? Now, which among the following states produce maximum raw silk in India? Bihar, Assam, West Bengal and Karnataka. Raw silk is about basic produce kurchi. Which among the following? Raw silk with the produce kare, it is Karnataka. Next, what is the first route of the super fast Rajdhani Express which was introduced in 1969? Super fast Rajdhani Express which was introduced in 1969. New Delhi to Mumbai Central, New Delhi to Howrah, New Delhi to Chennai Central and New Delhi to Bangalore. Which one? Super fast Rajdhani Express. Super fast Rajdhani Express. That is New Delhi to Howrah. New Delhi to Howrah. So, प्रथम क्वेश्चन हम देख ले, कर्नाटका is the largest silk producing state in India with over 9,800 metric tons of raw silk produced. 9,800 metric tons of raw silk produced, bringing nearly 35% of the country's total silk production. Country 35% of the country's total raw silk productions. Andhra Pradesh with over 5,000 metric tons of raw silk output ranked in the second place particularly. है ना, तो जब हम देखिए कर्नाटका हला सबुठु कंट्री रिचेस्ट रॉ सिल्क प्रोडक्शंस आउ नियरली 35% ऑफ कर्नाटका रे सिल्क एठी होछ पर्टिकुलरली है ना। मोस्ट ऑफ द साउथ इंडिया रे तमरा मन रखो मलबेरी सिल्क टा बेसी हुए, मलबेरी सिल्क है, मलबेरी सिल्क टा बेसी हुए सेठी है ना। दिस आर वेरी हाई डिमांड पर्टिकुलरली। टॉप 3 स्टेट्स की कर्नाटका, आंध्र प्रदेश Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur and Maharashtra. ठीक है, कर्नाटका, आंध्र particularly, and I would here I will just want to give it and vivid descriptions regarding this ones, particularly India jodi ame dekhiba silk productions re a variety of silk productions are there. One is your tussar silk, I can say tussar silk हुए जेमती कि tussar silk रे particularly Bihar is leading है, सेमती mulberry silk रे your Assam is leading, particularly खाली Assam, sorry, mulberry silk यदि देखियो that is your Tamil Nadu and Karnataka है, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, ठीक है जी, Tamil Nadu and your Karnataka is there, they both are the leading in your mulberry silk ray. अच्छा, कर्नाटका पर भी देखियो इंडिया रे प्राय सब जगह रे सिल्क प्रोडक्शंस हुए. इनफैक्ट यदि सिल्क रे हमें देखियो सिल्क प्रोडक्शन रे तो सिल्क प्रोडक्शन रे तमिलनाडु भी खाली माने तमिलनाडु साउथ इंडिया डोमिनेट करे, देन योर कर्नाटका आल्सो योर आंध्र प्रदेश आल्सो सिल्क रे प्रोडक्शन से बहुत आगे आंध्र प्रदेश भी है. अच्छा, ओडिशा रे भी हमर हुए बरहमपुर रे भी सिल्क प्रोडक्शंस हुए. बरहमपुर सिल्क इज आल्सो फेमस. टॉप 3 स्टेट्स रे कर्नाटका जाउची, आंध्र जाउची, आसाम, वेस्ट बंगाल, झारखंड, तेलंगाना, मेघालय, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, महाराष्ट्र. एठी गोटे जिनस मार्क करिबा, maximum of your northeastern states they are also engaged in such type of your silk productions. Acha, the Howrah Rajdhani Express began operation in 1st March 1969 and the first journey from Howrah was on 3rd March particularly. The train departed from New Delhi railway stations to reach Howrah Junction's railway stations. New Delhi railway station, New Delhi railway stations ru Howrah stations are in 17 hours 20 minutes particularly, covering a distance of 14,051 kilometers particularly. The train reduced the travel time from Delhi to Kolkata from the earlier 24 hours to 17 hours. Delhi to Kolkata, the train has reduced its timing from this is New Delhi and this is your Kolkata. This is your Kolkata and this is your NDLS, New Delhi. Earlier the time was taken by the 24 hours, but gradually it has reduced to 7 hours, that is near about 17 hours. Okay. So the train reduced the travel time from the Delhi Kolkata to 24 hours to 17 hours. Howrah Rajdhani Express is India's first Wi-Fi enabled Rajdhani Express. India jeti Wi-Fi enabled Rajdhani Express achi ta bitaru Howrah Rajdhani number 1. Howrah Rajdhani gote achi Sialda achi jota ki number 1. Next देखियो Which among the following states are the part of Chota Nagpur mineral belt? Particularly, they are the part of Chota Nagpur mineral belt. Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and West Bengal. Which among the following is the part of the Chota Nagpur mineral belt? Choose the correct codes from the options given below. Your Chota Nagpur mineral belt re, which are the part of your Chota Nagpur, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and West Bengal. Hello. केमती क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट करियो हमें देखिबा. Your Chota Nagpur belt is here. Jharkhand, of course, West Bengal, so all are correct. Okay, Chhattisgarh and all are correct. Bisrampur is famous for which of the following mineral mines? Iron ore, coal, manganese, and copper ore. Iron ore, coal, manganese, and copper ore. Bisrampur is famous for which of the following mines? Bisrampur is famous for which of the following mines? Bisrampur is देखिए, that is for the coal. Bisrampur. Bisrampur देखिए, Bisrampur is a famous coal mines. It is situated in the Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is situated. Bisrampur's economy mainly depends on the coal mines. Basically, coal mines over depend करछे. Southeastern Coalfields Limited is the only coal mining company. Southeastern Coalfields Limited is the only coal company, but various small factories and industries are in force. Particularly, Southeastern Coalfields Limited is the only coal mining company, but various small factories and industries are in force also. An Indian oil depot is also been situated along with the regional head office of Food Corporations of India, particularly Food Corporations of India को. Bisrampur is a town and Nagar Panchayat. Basically, Bisrampur is a town and Nagar Panchayat. Bisrampur, Chhattisgarh, very profitable. It's not Chhattisgarh. Along with that one, that's Chhattisgarh only. Also, India, government of India, got a good profitable mining it. Bisrampur coal mines. Bisrampur direct or indirect economy. जो भी people मैंने directly employed हो चुके, it is because of this Bisrampur's economy. Southeastern coalfield, various coal factories and industries are in force also. Indian oil depot also been situated along with the regional head office of the Food Corporations of India, Bisrampur town and Nagar Panchayat also. The next, the Chota Nagpur belt stretches over your Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and Bihar. The Chota Nagpur belt stretches over Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and West Bengal. This region is rich in different types of minerals and the entire peninsula plateau region is known as the mineral heart of India. The Chota Nagpur belt stretches Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Bihar. Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. This region is rich in different types of minerals and known. The entire peninsula plateau region is known as the mineral heart of India. Next, which one of the following matches the coal mines? and the corresponding states are correct. Coal mines and corresponding states are correct. Jharia coalfield, Jharkhand. Talcher coalfield, Odisha. Korba coalfield, Chhattisgarh. Raniganj, West Bengal. Hello? Jharia coalfield, Jharkhand. Talcher, Odisha. Korba coalfield, Chhattisgarh. Then Raniganj is West Bengal. Which of the following correct options? So your correct options are particularly Jharia coalfield jodi naba, it is Raniganj is correct. Korba also correct. Talcher Odisha also correct. And Jharia, it is Jharkhand, is also correct. So D is correct. Jharia. Next, the Atomic Energy Institute Trombay was established in which year? Atomic Energy Trombay. Atomic Energy Trombay was established in 54, 80, 90, 98. It is 1954. 1954. D and A. The correct order are Jharia coalfield, Jharkhand, that is correct. Talcher Odisha also correct. Korba Chhattisgarh also correct. Raniganj also it is correct. Raniganj British, the British time. This is the very oldest one. Raniganj. Raniganj. I can say the Raniganj coalfield is the oldest one. Raniganj coalfield is the oldest one. 1954 the Atomic Energy Institutions at Trombay was established. It is sorry, Raniganj coalfield. Just me कहते जाओ ठीक है. Raniganj coalfield is the oldest one. The British during British regime, the coalfields are or we can say the coal mining has started at its peak. The coal mining. Okay, the atomic जल्दी देखियो next questions. Next, the Atomic Energy Institution. The Atomic Energy Institution at Trombay was established in 1954. 1954 मसीहारे हितला, and Trombay is at your Maharashtra. Trombay is at Maharashtra. In the year 1967, it was renamed as BARC. It was renamed as your BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. BARC. The Government of India created Atomic Energy Establishment Trombay. Atomic Energy Establishment Trombay with whom with Homi J. Bhabha, Homi Jahangir Bhabha, तांका पूरा नाम है, Homi Jahangir Bhabha as the founding director on 3rd January 1954. It was established to consolidate all the research and development activities. Established to consolidate all the research and development activities for nuclear reactors and technology under the Atomic Energy Commission. Under the Atomic Energy Commission. All scientists and engineers engaged in the fields of reactors, all scientists and engineers engaged in the field of reactor design and development. All scientists and engineers, they are engaged in the fields of reactor designing and development, instrumentation, metallurgy and material science particularly. All scientists and engineers, they are engaged in the fields of reactor designing, development, instrumentation, metallurgy and material science particularly. Bartaman, it is one of the leading nuclear sites, one of the leading nuclear sites particularly. Arrange the following thermal power stations of India from north to south. From north to south. Bongaigaon thermal power stations, Talche, Mettur and Kolaghat. North to south le ki hobo? It is C. North to south maybe it is your Bongaigaon, Kolaghat, Talcher, then Mettur. Which of the following is the longest dam in India? Bhakranangal, Hirakud, Jawahar Sagar, Dulhasti. Longest dam. It is your Hirakud. Before Bombay. It is the correct order के north to south to same Bongaigaon, then Kolaghat, then Talcher, then Mettur. सब जिनसे लिखा है चेटी देखो Bongaigaon, Kolaghat, Talcher, Mettur same. It is correct. Bongaigaon जो देखिए it is in the Assam, Kolaghat in West Bengal, Talcher Odisha, and Mettur in Tamil Nadu. And Mettur is in your Tamil Nadu. Bongaigaon है, then Kolaghat, then Talcher, and then Mettur. Mettur thermal power station is in Tamil Nadu. Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in India. It is located across the Mahanadi in the state of Odisha. The length of the dam is 25.8 kilometer. The length of the dam is 25.8 kilometer, or let's say we can say it is 26 kilometer. The Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India and is the 8th highest in the world. Highest dam in India and the 8th highest dam in the world. The length is near about 575 meter. The length is 575 meter, where height is 261 meter, located in river Bhagirathi particularly. Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India and is the 8th highest in the world. Length is 575 meter, where the height is 261 meter, located in the river Bhagirathi. The Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India, 8th highest in the world. Length is 575 meter, height is 261 meter, located in river Bhagirathi particularly. Tehri Dam ta like India's highest dam, 8th highest in the world. It is located in Koti. Tehri Dam jo dekho, Tehri Dam is located in your Uttarakhand state. Tehri Dam is located in your Uttarakhand state. Next question. Geothermal energy is basically which of the following type of energy? It is renewable, non-renewable, biotic, and non-cyclic. Geothermal energy is basically which type of energy? Renewable, non-renewable, biotic, and non-cyclic. Geothermal energy जब देखो, it is basically it is not your renewable source of energy. Okay, it is renewable source of energy. The world's largest Fresnel type plant, which is located in which of the following states of India? Rajasthan, Punjab, Karnataka, and Gujarat. World's largest Fresnel plant is located in which of the following? That is in the Fresnel plant. It is in the Rajasthan. Renewable source of geothermal is energy, is a type of renewable energy which is the heat energy generated and stored in the earth, particularly heat energy generated and stored in the earth. Geothermal energy is heat energy generated and stored in the earth. Thermal energy is the energy that determines the temperature of matter. Thermal energy is the energy that determines the temperature of matter, particularly temperature of matter को mainly say thermal energy. Rajasthan देखिए, the world's largest Fresnel type plant is located in the state of Rajasthan. World's largest type of plant in the state of Rajasthan, and the Dhirubhai Ambani Solar Park, particularly Dhirubhai Ambani Solar Park. Rajasthan is also home to the world's largest Fresnel type. That is 125 megawatt solar plant and Dhirubhai Ambani Solar Park basically. Jodhpur district leads the state with installed capacity over 1500 megawatt. Stored installed capacity over 1500 megawatt. Followed by your Jaisalmer and Bikaner. Followed by is your Jaisalmer and Bikaner. The Bhatla Solar Park with installed capacity 2245 megawatt. 2245 megawatt Bhatla is the biggest plant in the world, that is 2020. Out through me repeat kari Fresnel plant जदि देखिए टाइप ऑफ प्लांट जोटा कि राजस्थान रे धीरूभाई अंबानी सोलार पार्क रा सोलार फ्रेस्नेल टाइप कहा जाए. राजस्थान also the world's largest Fresnel type, that is this is your particularly 125 megawatt solar plant, and Dhirubhai Ambani solar park रे Jodhpur district leads the state with Jodhpur district जदि कहूँ leads the state with installed capacity over 1500 megawatt. Jodhpur आज जदि मु जोधपुर बनौची जोधपुर जदि बनौची this is Arabeli, particular here it is Jodhpur. Arabeli here it is Jodhpur. और Jodhpur जब मैं कहूँ installed capacity Jodhpur, that is your 1500 megawatt basically 1500 megawatt Jodhpur, followed by your Jaisalmer and Bikaner. Jaisalmer and Bikaner. Bhatla Solar Park with installed capacity 2245. Bhatla hala basically 2245 megawatt. Bhatla Solar Power Plant 2245 megawatt is the biggest plant in the world as on March 2020. As on March 2020. Bhatla. भाटला भी सही इट इज इन द राजस्थान भाटला पार्क जोटा कि गुजरात है ना वर्तमान दिस इज द वर्ल्ड रो सबुठो बड़ा सोलार पार्क आहुरी भी आर इंस्टॉल कैपेसिटी मार्च 2020 वर्तमान ऑलमोस्ट 3 इयर्स हेबाक जाउची ऑलमोस्ट आर कैपेसिटी आहुरी भी इंक्रीज हेची हला राजस्थान ने इथमे बिकॉज़ इट इज वास्ट एरिया रो सनलाइट माने जेहेतु डेजर्ट एरिया मैक्सिमम तो मैक्सिमम इंसोलेशन इज टू हाई एंड दैट वाज द रीजन व्हाई the solar power production is more there. Green revolution is associated with which of the following program particularly? It is your green vegetation, use of green manure, grow more crops, high yield variety programs particularly. Green revolution program, which of green revolution program is your green vegetations को दिया जाएगा कि यूज ऑफ ग्रीन मैन्यूर्स की दिया होगा कि योर ग्रो मोर क्रॉप्स और हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी प्रोग्राम्स. आंसर इज योर डी फॉर दिल्ली, दैट इज हाई यील्ड वैरायटी प्रोग्राम्स. नेक्स्ट, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द लार्जेस्ट इरिगेशन कैनाल इन इंडिया? इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल, अपर गंगेस कैनाल, दूधसागर कैनाल एंड बंकिंगहम कैनाल. Largest irrigation canal in India: Indira Gandhi Canal, Upper Ganga, Dudhsagar, and Buckingham. जदि देखियो एठी नंबर 1 it is your Indira Gandhi Canal A. Indira Gandhi Canal जोड़ा वाला तुम्हारा राजस्थान वाला. Next year, high yielding variety programs, the high yielding variety programs and the increased use of fertilizers and irrigations are the main agenda of the green revolution. The main agenda of the green revolution. Yeah, green revolutions जमर हितला इंडिया रे थिले डॉक्टर स्वामीनाथन, डॉक्टर एमएस स्वामीनाथन with का संगरे यूएस रा डॉक्टर नॉर्मन बॉलर, डॉक्टर नॉर्मन बॉलर, ठीक अच्छे। और से सर कहा फर्टिलाइजर्स और इरिगेशंस टू साइंटिस्ट ऑफ द नेशंस इज फ्रॉम यूएसए मिसिकी ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन कांसेप्ट को हमर अरेस्ट करते ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन। इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल, इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल is the largest irrigation canal in India. It starts from the Harike barrage at Firozpur and terminates at the third desert. From the Harike barrage at Firozpur to terminates at third desert. Firozpur to starts from Firozpur to terminates third desert particularly. बर्तमान ये देखिए पुणी इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कैनाल दैट इज 658 किलोमीटर ऑफ इंडिया 650 किलोमीटर. It starts from the Harike barrage and a few kilometers below the confluence of Satluj and Beas river. Below the confluence of Satluj and Beas river in the Indian state of Punjab and terminates in the irrigations of the here and co terminate हो जाए here particularly terminate हो जाए Rajasthan desert. Rajasthan में particularly one area is there that is Ganganagar district. Ganganagar district रे terminate हो जाए. Previously known as the Rajasthan Canal, it was renamed as the Indira Gandhi Canal on 2nd November 1984. Previously known as your Indira Gandhi Canal, 2nd November 1984. Following the assassination of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, particularly following the assassination of your Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, है ना. Next. Sorry. Which of the following types of irrigation is the easiest source of irrigation? Easiest source of irrigation. Tank and canal, wells and tubes, and none of the above. Easiest source of that is particularly it is wells and wells. See, wells and wells are the. Next, distance between which of the following cities of the Golden Quadrilateral highways in India is the longest? Golden Quadrilateral: Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Delhi, Kolkata. This is Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and this is Mumbai. Golden quadrilateral highways in India. Golden quadrilateral highways in India. This Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Mumbai. Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Mumbai. Golden quadrilateral is the longest. It is Kolkata, Chennai. It is C for Chandigarh. Kolkata Chennai route যদি দেখো, it is near about 1684 kilometer, particularly 1684 kilometer. And it is the longest part of the Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral এটা হলো সবথেকে longest part, কলকাতা ও চেন্নাই. Wells to wells देखिए, well to wells is the easiest source of irrigation, but it is expensive and also responsible for depleting the underground water. Right? Wells and to wells is the easiest source of irrigations, but expensive and also responsible for depleting the underground water. Basically, wells to wells account 63% of the total irrigated area of India. Wells out to wells करते हैं, there is near about 63% of the 63% of the total irrigated area of India. Particularly जदि हमें देखिबा को स्टेट लीड करछन, मेनली पंजाब, हरियाणा, वेस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश माने वेल्स एंड ट्वेल्स रे माने लीड करछन. नेक्स्ट देखिए, वेल्स टू वेल्स इंडिया मेनली पर्टिकुलर तो नंबर 1 जो इंडिया वेल्स आउट टू वेल्स जो नेक्स्ट जो यदि हम इंडिया देखिबा योर कैनाल इरिगेशन, देन वर्तमान सब हाई थिंक दैट इज ड्रिप इरिगेशन सिस्टम है. Next, which among the following was the objective of phase 3 of the Golden Quadrilateral project? Phase 3 of the Golden Quadrilateral project. Right? widening of existing national highways, road construction from Chennai to Kolkata, then road construction on west east corridor, widening of existing national highway, road construction from Chennai to Kolkata, and particularly all of the above. Objective of phase 3 of the golden quadrilateral, particularly phase 3 of the golden quadrilateral. This is all are correct. D. Then the diamond quadrilateral projects associated with which of the following? Diamond quadrilateral project: extension of road network, increase of number of airports, establishment of high-speed rail networks, establishment of inland water transport canals. Establishment of inland water transport canal. Diamond quadrilateral project is associated with which of the following? Diamond quadrilateral project. It is related to your high-speed rail networks that is in between the Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Answer देखिए. The objective of phase 3 golden quadrilateral project, objective of phase 3 golden quadrilateral project was the widening of the existing national highways, that is 4 to 6 lanes particularly. 4 to 6 lanes particularly. If I make a divider here, that is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 6 lanes, widening of the existing national highways, 4 to 6 lanes particularly. Right? It particularly Atal Bihari Vajpayee time में late Sri our former Prime Minister late Atal Bihari Vajpayee का time रे जिनसे टाइम हेतला and particularly a concept माने golden, because national highways are your national highways को कहा जाए, they are the particularly national highways are the your lifelines of economy, lifelines of country's economy particularly. National highways रा concept को प्रथमे develop कराइतला and gradually नितिन गडकरी का time रे वर्तमान श्री नितिन गडकरी अच्छा दी नितिन गडकरी का time रे this concept has been more widened. This concept has been more widened, and particularly जब कहबी concept प्रथमे 2 lanes थिला, then it is now 4 lanes, now it is upgraded to 6 lane. बहुत जगह रे वर्तमान देखियो particularly Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi particularly मैंने maximum widening of the roads has takes place. In fact, जब हम देखिए कि कोलकाता, दिल्ली, अमृतसर, widening 6 lanes even if है. So this is an transformations of India, and India is improving now. Then देखिए establishment of golden quadrilateral project जब हम कहेंगे your your diamond quadrilateral project, they are associated with the establishments of a high-speed rail network. It was launched in year 2014. Mumbai-Ahmedabad sections will be the first high-speed train corridor. Mumbai-Ahmedabad section, it is the Mumbai-Ahmedabad first section, first high-speed train corridor. Mumbai-Ahmedabad. First high-speed train corridor. ठीक है, फर्स्ट हाई स्पीड ट्रेन कॉरिडोर मुंबई अहमदाबाद. डायमंड क्वाड्रिलेटरल प्रोजेक्ट जब तुम कहबी, डायमंड क्वाड्रिलेटरल प्रोजेक्ट पर्टिकुलरली द लेट जापानीज प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर शिंजो आबे, मिस्टर शिंजो आबे आउ आमर एपटे थिले श्री आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर और नाउ आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी है, नरेंद्र मोदी जी है, नरेंद्र मोदी श्री मोदी जी ये यहाँ 2014 रे पर्टिकुलरली बर्तमान फर्स्ट ट्रायल जब मुझे देखी, फर्स्ट ट्रायल बर्तमान मुंबई रु अहमदाबाद है मुंबई अहमदाबाद फर्स्ट रेल स्पीड कनेक्टर हम. दिस इज गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल प्रोजेक्ट है, गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल प्रोजेक्ट फर्स्ट मुंबई अहमदाबाद कनेक्टेड हम हाई स्पीड ट्रेन नेटवर्क. हाई स्पीड ट्रेन कॉरिडोर प्रथम ये हम हाई स्पीड ट्रेन कॉरिडोर मुंबई अहमदाबाद रे. देन जदि तुम देखुच ये है देन एटा तो फर्स्ट ट्रायल बेसिस रे निया हम. एठी कोन हो the speed of train will reach 320 km per hour. जमती वर्तमान ओसाका एंड योकोहामा सिटी रे जापान रे रनिंग रे वर्तमान योर 300 to 350 km per hour तमरो ट्रेन हाई स्पीड जाउची. सेम थिंग एटी इम्प्लीमेंट कराबो. इट इज ऑन द फर्स्ट ट्रायल बेसिस रे, राइट, इट इज ऑन द फर्स्ट ट्रायल बेसिस. देन it is supplemented or then it is extended to New Delhi. Then it is extended to New Delhi. New Delhi then extend over. So then gradually it spreads all over the countries. It has spread particularly. So this is one economic corridor को fast improve करिया पे government of India it was initiative, and it was first initiated by your our Sri Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi जी का leadership रे this particular has been initiated. Okay. So this is all about today. जमती मु आहरी गोटे जिन एथरे कहबी कि पर्टिकुलर ए सब जिंस जतले हम डिस्कस करछन, वी हैव गॉटन वाइड एनालिसिस ओवर हाउ द थिंग्स वेयर केमती इंडिया रे होची. जमती हम जानली कि जदि हम एठी पढुचंती कि शिंजो आबे को ये रे भी और नरेंद्र मोदी जी को ये रे हमर डायमंड क्वाड्रिलेटरल प्रोजेक्ट हेतला. तो इथरे हमको आ गोटे जिंस भी जानिवार अछि कि ट्रेन रो स्पीड केते हमर टारगेट रखा अछि हैला. इट इज बेसिकली जदि देखिबे ट्रेन रो मध्य कहबी दिस इज एन बुलेट ट्रेन पर्टिकुलरली है. बुलेट ट्रेन जानते बुलेट ट्रेन को बर्तमान बेसी माने फोकस करा बुलेट ट्रेन को. बुलेट ट्रेन जदि हम जो कि बुलेट कौन से सिस्टम दैट इज योर मैग्नेटिक ट्रेन है मैग्नेटिक ट्रेन बुलेट ट्रेन ने योर मैग्नेटिक ट्रेन पर्टिकुलरली ठीक अच्छे बुलेट ट्रेन को तुम मैग्नेटिक ट्रेन भी कहुच्छे bullet train and that is your magnetic train particularly bullet train and your magnetic train स्पीड रे तमर कौन हुए ट्रेन टा रेल पट्टी ऊपर जाए पट्टी ऊपर 2 mm रे से फ्लो करे particularly so that is the how a magnetic train works तो इस जिन हमको जानले कौन हम आहरी भी हमको इजी रहिबो जानिया पे कि पर्टिकुलर मेथोडोलॉजी हाउ इट वर्क्स नितिन गडकरी का विषय जो कहले हमर वाइडनिंग ऑफ द नेशनल हाईवेज तो सेटा भी हमको भी बहुत रहिबो कि वर्तमान गवर्नमेंट रो एक्जिस्टिंग प्रपोजल कोन हाउ द गवर्नमेंट इज वर्किंग ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट्स इट इज नॉट दैट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड अर्लियर तो वर्तमान एटा भी हमको जानिया को कि पर्टिकुलरली कि वर्तमान प्रोजेक्ट कोन तो मु तुमको ए जिंस व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से पर्टिकुलर जल्दी हम गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल पढु छथि इट इज गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल रिलेटेड टू योर रोड where the diamond quadrilateral project is related to your particularly rail so golden माने road diamond माने rail most of the students I found they got confused over this ones भाई golden कोटा diamond कोटा एटा हैला so it is not that one we have to very much sure हां केतरा हमको मन रहबो फैक्चुअल सेते बडे मन रहबो जेते बडे हमें डिटेल ले जानिबा हां जिंसटा एया बोली when we know in detail कि no the particular यार मिशन सला एथि भाई हैला तो this is the way that जोटा कि हमरो नॉलेज एनरिचमेंट करिवो पढिला बेले खास करके सिविल सर्विस जति तमे गोटे जिंसटा को जानु छ आई वुड सजेस्ट यू नो इट बिट वाइडर सो दैट कोन होबो तमनकर information content level will increase and also it will help you out in your writing skills also and of course that cannot be diluted the truth so of course in the third round also in your interview it will also help you out to how to make it है so this is the way of study that always I persist the students कि करिवाटा हमर बहुत जरूरी जदि हम 20 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करछन विल मेक श्योर दैट वी कैन गेट द बेनिफिट ऑफ 60 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ दिस वंस हैला केमती बाकी तीनटा चॉइस रो भी हमें कहि परबे कि हां ए क्वेश्चन रे हमर रहिबो जेमती एठी हम जंत सपोज आ गोटे लास्ट क्वेश्चन जदि हम एनालिसिस जंत इरिगेशन तमे पढुछ जदि एठी इरिगेशन पढलो कि इजीएस्ट सोर्स ऑफ इरिगेशन की टैंक कैनल ट्यूबवेल्स एंड अनदर एठी जदि हम देखिबा ओके फाइन 63% वेल एंड ट्यूबवेल्स धरुछ हैला 63% देन बाकी कैनल और टैंक भीतर एमान को रैंक कते हैला यूएल ट्यूबवेल्स जदि हम देखिबा कैनल हो सेकंड रे टैंक हो थर्ड रे हैला तो एमान को को पॉकेट रे इंडिया रे एमान को रोल अधिक है वेल ट्यूबवेल कैनल टैंक हैला तो दिस इज आल्सो the same way we have to analyze these ones particularly हैला well go to 12 go to canal so particularly because India is a vast country and we have to know where the nowhere को जगह रे कोटा okay then ठीक अछि आज पे एति रखिबा हैला I hope these sessions will be useful and will give the